Hello viewers, I hope you all are fine. So let's begin with the part 2 of my travel vlog. After Liverpool, my next destination was Edinburgh, which is around 6 hours train ride from Liverpool Lime Street train station. The journey was extremely tiring, but it was all worth it when I reached my destination. After checking in, I went out to explore the city. The weather was extremely cold. I bought a ticket of hop on off bus so I could see all of the historical places in one go. I reached the entry point of Arthur's Seat Summit, which is basically a dormant volcano situated in Holyrood Park. It was around 2 hours trek and was very painful, but all the pain faded away when I reached the top. I could see almost whole of the Edinburgh. There are also several free themed tours available. You can take a ghost tour, new town tour, and even Harry Potter themed city tour. When the sun is shining, Edinburgh has plenty of parks. As you all know, London is a common stop on most backpacking trips. After reaching London Eye was the first in my list. It's across the street from Parliament and gives you great views of London. It was an amazing experience. London Bridge and Big Ben were easily visible from the London Eye. Next day, I did cruise on River Thames and captured some pictures of London Bridge. Time was very short, so I went to Westfield Shopping Centre and bought some things from my family. The only problem with London is that it's very expensive. It can eat away all your budget if you are not careful. Luckily, there are tons of free or cheap things to do in London that can fill your time. Overall, it was an amazing and wonderful experience.